How to fix Questrade app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Questrade app if it's not working. So there may be several reasons as to why your Questrade app may not be working. So the first and foremost reason may be your internet connection. So as you already know, Questrade is an app that requires a stable internet connection to work. Sometimes if you don't have a stable internet connection, your Questrade app may not work. So start off by checking your internet connection, and maybe if you're on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you're on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. Now once you've done that, go to your app store and then search for Questrade. After that, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as sometimes if your app is not updated, some features may get restricted, which may cause your Questrade app to not function properly. So simply make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now if your problem is still there, simply go to your settings, general, iPhone storage, and then search for the Questrade app. Now offload the app and then tap on the option reinstall. Now doing this, in most of the cases your problem will surely be solved, but if your problem is still there, what you can do as a final resort is simply delete the app altogether and then go to your Play Store or App Store and then download the Questrade mobile app once again. So those are basically the ways on how you can fix your Questrade app if it's not working. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.